Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel once again. My name is Brian, aka Doodleman. Yep, once again, I'm back from my extremely tiring and stressful work, and decided to just go ahead and do some more doodling and the sketching. So today I've decided to uh, take some challenge on the head drawing, which I'm getting more and more confused by as the day or the months goes by, the more I get to know like a face construction or the face drawing method, the more I get confused. I think the problem is that I'm trying to like discover or try to experiment with way too many drawing styles, from like Loomis method to like Reilly method and Bridgman method, and there are other like different methods that I cannot think of right now or remember right now on top of my head. But yeah, I think what I need to do is just kind of stick with a one drawing method and just get really good at it, and try to just try to stay with the one drawing method and try to get these other, just try to steal other like concepts from the other method and just try to add them on top of what I have on my the pre-existing method. I know that just sounded a little confusing, but yeah. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that I just need to stay with one drawing method and try to improve upon it by adding other method from the other artist. So yeah. So and before I go on, I just want to say uh thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. I didn't realize that I'll be getting subscribers and more views as the time goes on. Yeah, I was rather kind of surprised by that because I mean, as you can see, I don't make any sort of like professional videos, and almost all the videos that I've uploaded are either like voiceless or just extremely like unprofessional videos that I've made in the past. But despite that, there's been some of you who's been leaving this really encouraging and kind comments, and there are some like constructive criticism as well, which I really do appreciate because yeah, as being a self-taught artist, I could definitely use some constructive criticism. If you do if when you see my video and if you feel that I'm doing something wrong with my drawings or doodles or sketches, feel free to just leave some comments in the comment section, and I'll just read through it, and just say I'll just try to respond to you in as many times as possible. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, thank you once again to all my subscribers and viewers who are visiting my channel. I hope to see you soon, and I'll do my best to try to bring you more better quality videos from now on. I know it's, yeah, I mean, the words are cheap and it's easy for me to say these things, but I'll um I'll try to do my best. Once again, thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time with more doodling and sketching contents and art content as well. So good night, and I wish you all well.